So, welcome back, guys. This is going to be an exciting interview we've got locked up for you. So, I'm just going to be dancing while this is going on. Winfrey, what's happening? Who we got in the studio? Tell us who we got in the studio.
We have somebody.
Okay, we got somebody.
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 His name is.
His name is.
First of all, his shirt says.
Oh, his shirt says.
We have Gbagaun Muncher in the studio.
Gbagaun Muncher in the studio. Welcome. Come through.
Thanks for coming. Good morning.
Yeah, pleasure to meet you, man. I never thought you would wear glasses. So it shows that your focus is quite clear. Please take a seat. Take a seat. Welcome to the studio.
See, this never leaves you.
So you
take it wherever you go.
Thank you very much.
Exactly.
This is a sign of Winfrey's love to me.
Yeah.
To me. She loves me.
At least you got something.
You didn't get anything.
You didn't get anything?
Abba.
I'm still waiting.
After Gbagaun, you have been launching.
No, but you know Valentine's expires at 12. So anything after 12.
I mean, it's still a long day. It's a very, very long day.
Okay. There's still time, right? Okay, so now, for people who don't know who Gbagaun Muncher is, let's do that little intro.
First of all, I love your shirt, by the way.
Hey,
Did you make it?
Can I shock you?
Yes, it actually says, can I shock you?
Yeah. So for those that know Gbagaun Muncher, I'm sure they can relate to that.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, you've been shocking people.
Apparently. I think I have.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Gbagaun Muncher is, hey, where do I start from? Okay, Gbagaun Muncher, the name came from Gbagaun. We know what Gbagaun is.
Yes, for sure.
For those people who
okay, so Gbagaun is when...
You're my interpreter.
Okay, oh, let's do that. So, Gbagaun is when you make a typographical error or a bad English of a sort of a fake things down type of scenario.
AKA grammatical error. English-speaking people.
Yeah.
Exactly. So that's like, you Gbagaun, I don't know, you Gbagaun sha. So, Muncher, someone that munches Gbagaun.
You munch Gbagaun. Yeah. You eat them for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
No, apparently. Then
scream munch.
I know. Then I used to do it for fun. I always like people who speak well or who write well English. Okay. So then anywhere I see anyone shells, I think that's English for Gbagaun. Yeah. Anywhere I see anyone Gbagaun, I munch it. And there was this app then on BlackBerry, Scream Muncher.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So I just munch it and I put it on my Twitter. And then I was anonymous, so it was fun.
How long ago was this?
I think way back to 2010.
So,
wow.
So in long and short of the fact is that you're one of the people that people are scared of on Twitter.
Yeah, that people, well, apparently, because I mean,
people shifted.
Well, I was anonymous, so it was fun to do. You know, but people were threatening me and all.
People were threatening you, really?
I really didn't care about it.
Okay, so where did the idea of this Gbagaun Muncher, where did it actually come from? Is it that you had a lot of people on your timeline that were just
up and down? I mean, Facebook, sorry to say, but man, those Facebook guys were really giving us back to back then. So, but I mean, after a while, I think I, in quotes, grew out of it. Then I moved on to Instagram, then started doing skits. Not intentionally, actually. I was just playing that day and
it just escalated like that.
Yeah, people that knew me personally, they knew that this guy was a serious person in quotes.
Yeah.
But
sorry, they thought.
So this is your livelihood now. You don't do any other thing.
This is
your livelihood now. You don't do any.
No,
other
I do. I'm an IT consultant, a media consultant.
Okay.
Yeah, but those that know Gbagaun Muncher is different from.
Okay,
okay, so now this is Season of Love. We're asking a lot of questions to our guests today about Valentine's Day.
This is not the Season of Love. This is the day of
love. The day of love.
No,
it's the very day.
It's Valentine's Day.
The very day. Okay.
Yeah, well, it still pans into tomorrow, you know.
Yes, of course, why not?
Up till November, when those like us were created. This season.
So this is what I've got for you. What's the craziest thing you've ever done for love?
Sir, please, I must inform you.
Yes, ma'am.
If you fail to answer this question, or you don't fail to answer it correctly, you are dropping 2K.
Yeah. I need to get it right. You might win one of our special giveaways.
How much do I win?
What do you win?
If I'm dropping 2K, if I fail, then
we have some special giveaways. 2K is
not
much.
2K is not for all. Don't worry, it's for charity. So you
charity.
You're doing good all the same.
Okay. So maybe I should even just
exactly. You know.
Craziest thing.
20K, maybe he will.
No, we have a lot of questions.
Okay.
I'm not even moved.
Okay. So what is the craziest thing you've ever done for love, Mr. Gbagaun Muncher?
Deny my family.
Hey.
Deny your family.
Yeah.
Please explain that.
How is that? How is that?
Explain.
Thank you very much for that wonderful question. Yeah, so I think in a nutshell, it was just me taking sides with my then girlfriend.
Okay.
Other than.
So you guys are even dating now?
No.
And you denied your family for her?
No, Abba, right now family is big.
Family is big.
Prodigal son, I mean, no.
Okay.
So I think that's like the craziest thing I've done for love, you know.
Can you paint that scenario for us? Why?
What exactly
happened? Well, she had issues with my sister, and she wasn't so cool with my mom.
Oh, wow.
So I mean, because I think I was in love. Yeah, I was in love. No regret. Yeah. So
yeah.
I
like this guy.
Yeah. So I was on her side, she was on my side, and family were on their side. So I didn't listen to whatever they had to say. I mean, I love this girl. I'm gonna be with her and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So I think that was how it was. But when it expired, then I came back.
They
took it back. Yeah, they did.
First of all, let me ask, how did you break? What was the breakup like?
You are digging deep.
That's for sure.
I think it was just once, like that day. I just made sure. I just wanted to do it because I'd already made up my mind that I was done with it. So on that day, I just told her, "This is the last time you're gonna see me."
Wow.
And she thought it was one of my. I was gonna come back.
Whoa.
But that was like the last time. Yeah.
That was the last. You thought she cheated?
Am I supposed to say this?
Is she watching right now?
Well, I mean, even if she's watching, it was related. You know, it was more of that and other stuff. So,
okay. So let me ask you now: would you actually side your family in future? Sorry, would you actually do the same thing you did?
No, I don't think so. Because regardless of either you're the right person or you're the wrong person, I think family will always be on your side. So, I think I won't betray family for.
True, family will actually always be on your side, but you know sometimes, especially when you get married, you know sometimes
they're always so touchy and
exactly. So in situations like that,
I think when we get to that bridge, we'll definitely cross it. You know,
I would like to ask you that.
You're gonna have to balance. You're gonna have to create a balance for both eventually. Yeah. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. No, I want to ask you that exact same question.
We have plenty of questions.
Oh, plenty. Okay, let's do this one. Have you ever been too quick to judge a partner?
Too quick? No.
Why?
No, because I always make up excuses for people. So whatever it is that the person has done, or I heard the person has done, I always want to hear from the person first before I make judgments out of it. And even most times, even if the whatever people have said is true, then I can now come to terms and.
I've got another one. If you could date anyone in the world, anyone whatsoever in the world, who would you pick?
Male or female?
Nice. Wait, we can add one more. Male, female, or transgender?
Let's remove male. Let's remove trans.
Okay.
And let's stick to the female.
I think the question I could have asked that you were this with one transgender in the world. Who
well, thank God it wasn't that. One person.
Just pick one. Don't be greedy.
Yeah. Oprah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think she's a strong black woman, and she has motivated the whole world. But I mean, she's way older than I am. But I mean, I think right now, I just like her vibes.
Does that have anything to do with the fact that she's my namesake? Okay, next.
Oh wow!
Okay, wait. We're gonna take a quick break, and we'll be right back with some more questions for the Gbagaun Muncher. Right. So you guys stay tuned and stay locked into your seats. We'll be right back after this.
You might be sad, you might be disappointed, but let me tell you a little something about myself.
Okay.
They try to bury my dreams, but they don't see my dreams na seed. Bruh. They try to drown me, but they don't say I be Gary Jebu. Steady I rise. They try to roast me, but they don't say I be corn. Bruh. I'm a pop corn.
Jesus.
They even try to steal the footwear of my goals, but they don't say my goals na select. They try to slice me, but they don't say I be onions. They try to set fire on me, but they don't know say I be gold. I'm a shine. They try to dim my sun, but they don't know say I be star boy.
Yeah, God.
They even try to corrupt me. They don't know say I be Dezeni. Never look down on yourself.
My nigga.
Think about it.
But wait though, if Vivian is a hoe, can we call her Video?
What's the worry? Continue.
I bought Vivian bread yesterday. Does that mean I bought her bread?
Oh my God. You're a mumu man.
Oh my days.
Continue.
A farmer got struck in the eye and became blind while walking on the farm yesterday. I rushed him to the hospital. The doctors attended to him. And to my utmost surprise, now, the pharmacy.
Jesus is Lord.
What did you say?
The pharmacy.
Oh my God. Bye-bye. Oh my God.
What?
What is it?
What exactly is the covenant between upcoming artists and track 2?
Go and sit down. I don't know.
A ritualist was caught with blood in his hands yesterday. Does that mean he was caught red-handed?
This one is one of us.
What if you want to drive your girlfriend crazy? Will you need a driver's license?
You're a mumu man. Continue.
That's why yesterday I saw one white chicken and one black turkey playing together.
Now so what?
When I got home, I was not thinking about that. Hey, wait, can we call that
Run.
foul play?
You won't make the boss touch you.
Bye-bye.
So we are back with the Gbagaun Muncher. What you saw just now with some of his skits, he's got a very special sense of humor.
Yes, he totally does.
Yeah, so first of all, we would like to shout out
a huge birthday shout out to, in fact, these guys.
Yeah, the very special people.
The very special people you
Yeah.
hear or you see us cringe whenever they speak to us. They are actually the major people that make this show possible for you guys to enjoy so much every morning.
Yeah.
It's
We've got.
I'm getting emotional.
Yeah. So our director has a son.
Our ace director,
producer
of Today On
TOS.
STV.
Yes.
He has
Jesse.
a 4-year-old.
Jesse turns 4 today. Happy birthday, Jesse.
Happy birthday, Jesse.
Happy birthday, Jesse.
Happy birthday, Jesse.
Can you be that? Can you be that? Happy birthday. Okay, and we've also got another birthday shout out to Precious Oluwa Darasimi Fagumi, the daughter of Shay Fagumi, one of our producers.
Yes.
Shay, yeah. So happy birthday to you too. I hope you guys are having an exciting day. This one that you were born on the day of love.
And this one that Mr. son is a son. And
It's a son,
daughter is a daughter.
They should.
You understand?
So he should. He can start to. You're the one that's going to teach them, aren't you?
Of course.
Yeah.
We're here, we train.
Yeah.
Professional training.
So let's get back to the Gbagaun Muncher. We've got some more questions for you, that's for sure. I hope.
Yeah, bring your wallet out.
I hope you're ready.
Let me answer first.
Bring
now.
it out.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. How would you propose if you wanted to right now?
Honestly, I think people have exhausted all those.
They've
exhausted all the different things one can actually
Okay, so
think
before you answer that, so what is the most hilarious or the most out of this world proposal you've actually seen?
There was this one that the guy came in an helicopter and landed on, like, I don't know, is it like a story building or something?
Yeah.
And there was a decking or whatever, and he proposed, and I'm like, all the way just for proposal. Just and there was this other one I saw at the beach, the marry me with fires and all of that stuff. So, you know, we really need to think out of the box, and I think it also depends on if your partner wants like.
It's like your 2K is crying out from because they're not answering my question.
Yeah, how would you?
If I would propose.
Yeah. You.
Okay, I will. There was one time I had one in mind. Yeah. So I was in charge of an event, and I was supposed to handle the screen, the digital screen. So my plan was, I put it up on the screen. I already spoke with the producers and all. So I put it up on the screen. I put up pictures or whatever, a little footage and all of that. Then I come on stage. Then I do my proposal, wine and all of that stuff. Then
so that's how you do it.
That's how I thought I was going to do it. But now I have to upgrade it for the next person. You know. That one has expired.
What happens when the Gbagaun Muncher Gbagaun?
Well, it's allowed. It's actually allowed because
it is totally not allowed.
It's allowed because
it's not acceptable.
I'm in charge of that department.
You make people have insecurity issues. Like, I'm talking about.
Well, okay, that was when I was in the world. You know.
When you Google, you break the internet.
Yeah. So that was when I was in the world. Right now, I'm a different person.
So you don't
in the world anymore. But if you Gbagaun, I might just give you that look of, you know what you did. Right? Yeah.
All right. Our next question. You want this? You want it? Okay.
Ahead.
What trick do you use to win arguments with a partner?
What trick?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That smile is dangerous, man.
What trick? Actually, I don't think it's a trick, but I always want. Okay, partner, female, definitely. So I don't argue. the way I do it is I don't argue. I just do the silent treatment.
You do the silent. That's the worst. Like you are the.
Because I don't think you should. I don't think you should trade words with a lady. So let her say.
Is that your reason, or you're trying to touch her high emotionally?
No,
knowing that your silence is killing.
A sprinkle of that and the other one, you know. But I don't think you should trade words with a lady. You will almost never win. Or you make her cry eventually. So just
we're very gonna take that. You are representing all women on planet Earth right now.
Gladly. Let me see. Never do the silent treatment. It's wicked. It's wickedness.
But that's what works for ladies.
That's what works for. So that's your trick.
That's my trick.
Okay.
But then again, ladies, if they give you the silent treatment, spin it up. Please don't waste your time. You don't want to. Women is paining. You want to cry. Go on, cry. Quiet. Silence. Okay. If he gives you silence, give him silence.
They break out.
They never break out. It depends on who you're dealing with, though. Okay, if you give me silent treatment,
definitely
not. What happened? You scatter things.
I will not scatter things. Though. I don't think the happiest person in the world to other people.
What is the most annoying habit that a romantic partner has ever had?
Most annoying habit?
Yeah.
Farting.
What?
Yeah. You can't just break the air. Well, it's allowed because
allowed.
She's not supposed to. Yeah, there are people in the hospital who know all that excuse. Yeah, but not when you're not ready for it.
You're not ready. Sorry,
are you ever ready for it?
If it's your own fart, you are always ready. You are always ready.
So she should tell you, sorry, please excuse me, I want to fart now.
Yeah, or just
or excuse herself.
To excuse herself.
Or she should find a way to make it smell like roses.
Or just tension it into the, or whatever.
Tension it into
like
that's the technique.
So have you ever had a fight with your baby because of this?
No.
So you just keep it silent.
Who knew the Gbagaun Muncher was a fart specialist?
I think everyone is, because you're in places and you need to
okay, so right about now we have to go on a quick break, but we'll be right back. Remember, it's Valentine's Day.